Hello everybody, Stuart from Delmade. Today I just want to point out a few maintenance tips for you on your slasher. So first thing to do once you've pulled your slasher out of the shed and you're ready to use it is make certain you have your slasher well supported on a trestle or something similar. Also ensure the key is out of the tractor so that nothing untoward can happen. Then you want to start by doing a general walk around, check your bolts on your headstock, your chains, make sure your shackles are still in good condition, they're tight, nothing seems out of the ordinary there. Check your side skids, check them for wear on the corners, check that your skid bolts are tight, check that the height is correct, they should be angled slightly with the back of the rear of the slasher slightly higher, 25mm, roughly higher than the front. Then come around to the back, check the frame for any unusual cracking or strange wear points. Your rear chains are okay. And then move under to check the rotor. So first thing you want to check with your rotor, check the blades are nice and even. Wear is consistent right on the full length of the blade. The blade is sharp. Wiggle the blade around, make certain that the bush is okay and has not chopped out or flogged unusually. If there has, they will need to be replaced. Then check that there is no obstructions under the deck. And then check your centre rotor. Make certain there's not any oil leaking from the centre bearing over the gearbox. Vitally important. This will usually appear somewhere on the side of the rotor. If this is the case, check that your gearbox bolts are mounted in firm, they're not loose or there's no cracks showing on gearbox mounting points. Then ensure your gearbox has sufficient oil in it. This is done by the level plug on the side here. There's a drain plug down the bottom end. We recommend every 50 hours that oil can be replaced. Once you're happy with all that, then you want to check your PTO shaft. We'll have it and check that the universals located at both ends are in good working operating condition. Give them a good pump of grease or two and then connect up to your tractor. Then connect up your safety chain to prevent the shield from spinning. Once your PTO is connected to your tractor, just clarify that your PTO is the correct length. It should be overlapping in the centre by at least 150mm. If your PTO is too long, you may need to shorten it. Once your PTO is connected, simply undo the two Phillips head screws on your top cover to access your PTO clutch. Vitally important at the start of every season, the bolts on your PTO clutch, you slacken them and then start the tractor PTO. Obviously once you would need to put the slasher back on the ground and not on your trestle to do this. You need to start it and spin the PTO to ensure the clutch is free. Once you're happy that the clutch is spinning freely, tighten up the bolts back to their factory setting where they were and you should be right to go. This ensures that any objects or anything that the slasher may hit during the course of its operation will not damage the driveline or any of the tractor components. Once your clutch is retensioned and the cover is reinstalled, have one more quick walk around, make certain that you're happy with it, everything is in correct operating positions, then you should be right to go. One thing I will mention, once you've finished slashing, it's always a good idea to clean the deck off from any grass or debris, and this will prevent the deck from rusting out and give you the most life out of your slasher. If you have any further questions or you're unsure, all these points are mentioned in your slasher's operating manual, or give Delmade a call. The team are happy to chat, and happy slashing.